Ta-da! Look at this goodness, guys. It's stuff proudly made in China. So, what is this? This is silicone soldering mat. I was not necessarily specifically looking for this such thing. I just wanted to have some sort of, when I do some fiddly disassembly or tear down work, to have some sort of surface which is actually okay. For first of all, it has nice background. Also, it's soft, and it, for example, doesn't let things rolling around. So I thought that can be useful. And let's take a look. What the hell is this silicone soldering mat? Well, obviously it could be useful also for soldering, but in my particular case I just need it for tear downs. And silicone means that it can withstand some temperature, probably within the range of soldering. Okay, so let's use my trusty knife to open up this kinda nicely packaged thing. Looks like it was sort of mangled. Oops, hit the camera during delivery. Oh, it's huge, unwieldy. Okay, here we are. Let's unboxing and review. It's nothing special about this thing. Okay, so oh, I think that's pretty much it. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Oh my god. So anyway, so this is some sort of silicone soldering mat. This is obviously, this text is like garbage. I like to, not sure it would be possible to kind of erase it from here. So it has some parts beams. Cool. It has screw positions, so which is good. Someone commented once on YouTube that all my screws are like all over the place. Well, with this kind of pad, everything will be in place. So I can put little screws over here, I can put screws over here. There is a magnetic. Is it really? Like, let me try. It's barely magnetic, come on. Well, somewhat magnetic. And this one as well, right? So you can put some parts over here. It looks like this is for, oh, this magnetic as well. So I can put some parts over here, some metal parts. I can put some tools over here, some screwdrivers, like, you know, for example, just to make sure they're not all over the place. Yeah, so it's not too bad. So for example, for doing tear downs, that can be useful. For example, here I can put some parts which I don't want to be mixed in or accidentally lost, which are probably can be super pooper tiny. So I think this is decent. It's decent, and it was not expensive. It was like $14 or something to this extent. Also, there is like a ruler here, which helps probably to measure dimensions of things. Again, can be useful for when I tear down. I can say, okay, look at this. This is 21 centimeter wide or something like that, long, I mean, or, you know, 30 to 32 centimeters wide. So yeah, it's not bad, and it's kind of heavy duty. So for example, I can frame it like this, right? And you know, when I'm gonna be doing tear downs, it can be handy and useful. And the main thing, for example, little screws, if they're gonna fall on these silicone things, they're not gonna roll off the way of the table and gonna be screaming and cursing and looking for this tiny silver screw on this concrete floor or something to this extent. Yep, this is actually okay. I like it so far. Let's take a look what's on the back side. What is that? Oh, it's a magnet. No, is it? Oh yeah, this is magnet, so it's magnetic as well. So there are some magnets are injected in these particular areas. there's some kind of numbers over here. Technically this back side can be used as some sort of background if I need to, but this side is so much better. Right, this is pretty much it. There's nothing to talk about this this particular thing. Let's do wide shot again. So yeah, gonna be very useful for these assemblies and tear downs, and also it has this some sort of blue color, which turned out to be more violet in what I see on my monitor over here, a camera monitor. So I hope the white balance I'll be able to fix it. Too much actually. This is kind of cyan color. What I see on my monitor over here is more like a purplish. So, but that's white balance problems. So yeah. That was short, I hope, review, and yeah, looks like it's a good product and can be useful. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.